Good evening, friend. I am Raju Yadav. I am your SST teacher. Dear student, today we discuss about resources and development chapter for class 10th geography. Geography is the wide subject just like a science. If you want to become civil services just like IAS, IPS, IFS, then geography is compulsory for the studying material. You cannot succeed without geography. So right now we discuss about resource. Resource are mostly two types on the basic of origin. On the basic of origin, biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources means all organisms including in biotic resources and abiotic resource without living organism, just like soil, just like water, just like air, all are abiotic resources. Biotic resources including all organism, plant, animal, etc. On the basis of exhaustibility, renewable resources, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources can recharge again after some time, but non-renewable resources are not recharged by the nature. Just like coal, if you burning coal, then after you can get ash and you cannot make again coal. And wood, if you burn wood, then you cannot get again wood after burning. Okay, student. On the basis of ownership, individual resource, community owned resource, national resource, international resource. Individual means any persons give the resources. Individual person, single person. Community owned resource, in a community many people participate in community, just like community, then community owned resource. National resource, when a whole country including and create resources, just like FDI and other commercials point of view topic. International resources are depend on whole countries, whole world. Individual resource, you can see private land, your field in village, your field in urban area, rural areas. You are a owner of that field. Community owned resource, just like a park, just like a garden, just like national sanctuaries. National resource, are you know about the national resource? I think yes, because you see national park, Carvet National Park, Dudhwa National Park, many type of natural resource are national resource. International resource just like a ocean and sea is the international resource. On the basis of status of development, potential resources, developed resources, stock, reserve. Potential resources means what is the potential, what is the capacity of the resources, how many days stock is finished of resources. Developed resources, you can develop resource just like a dam, you can make many dams on the river. Stock, you can stock many resources just like a coal, petroleum. Reserve, some resource are fixed for future plans. Developed on resource, it is the process of developing the resources in order to make them useful for certifying human bond. Some resources cannot be used directly, they have to be processed, make them useful for certifying your bond. Land has to be cleared and plowing and cropping. Just like a farmer crop the open areas. So development problems created by the indiscriminate use of resources by men. Many resources got depleted. Forest. Slowly, all people want to be cut the tree and make the furniture, make the wood. Resources got accumulate in the hand of few pupils. The society of individual into rich and poor. Many people want to be destroy any land, any pond, any oceans. Global warming, ozone layer. Any people, all people are not thinking about the atmosphere, because many types of pollutions destroy the ozone layer and increase the level of global warming. Sustainability economic development. The economic development which does not damage the environment at the same time care of the need of future generation is called sustainable development. Sustainable development is important because many of the resources are not renewable and exhaustible. Over exploitations of these resources will affect the need of our future generation. Environmental pollution has become a major threat to the survival of human beings. So all exhaustible, that means recharge after some time. Resource planning. Resource planning is the technique of skill proper utilizations of the resource. Stage of resource planning: identifications and listing of the resource, planning for exploitations, match resource development plan with the national development plan. Importance of resourcing plan. Some region of India are rich certain resources and poor in the some other region. Rajasthan is the poor water resource, but rich in solar and wind energy. So this is the important resources. Resource of conservation. All planned use of the resources in order to meet the present need and to store a part of future generation is called resource conservation. It is necessary because many resources are not renewable and exhaustible. If we conserve, then we can use them for a long period of the time. Conservation of the resources help us to reduce wastage. It will help to economical process. Resources conservations help us to protect the environment. Ideas of Gandhiji. According to Gandhiji, there are enough everybody's need and not for anybody greedy and selfish individual and the exploitation. He was against mass productions and want to replace it with the production by mass. Land as a resource. Land is the habitat of man, and this is very useful for man. Plain 43%, mountain 30%, plateau 27%. 43% India's land area is plain, region of the good for agriculture and industry. 30% of the land area is mountain, the region rich of water resources. Plateau occupy 27% of the land area. This region is rich in mineral and fossils. Land use pattern in India. So you can see the data. Causes and land degradations, large scale soil erosions caused by the running water and winds, dumping of waste material, over irrigation need increase the salinity and alkalinity of the soil, overgrazing and animal deforestation by man, waste water and mineral processing, grading limestone for the cement industry and the calcite soapstone for the ceramic industry create a lot of dust. How do industries cause land degradation? Some industries dump solid waste which contain harmful. Some industry discharge wastewater to be field minerals processing for like grinding lime stinks. Cement industry and calcite, soft stone, and the ceramic industry create a lot of dust. This is dust is the deposit kniving land, clearing the forest for the individual purpose, and causes the degradation. Land conservation measure, you can um, use the notes. Okay student, thank you for watching video. Thank you very much.